Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you veg mayonnaise sandwich recipe. It's a simple, quick and easy to make sandwich that makes for a great breakfast or snack. Now without wasting our time, let's see how to make veg mayonnaise sandwich. You can use veggies of your choice. I am using cucumber, carrot, onions and capsicum here. Two to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix all the vegetables with mayonnaise. Now add chili flakes. I am using 1 pinch of chili flakes here. If you want more spicy, you can add more. Add pepper powder. Mix well. Now add salt. Mix well. Our mayonnaise spread is ready now. Now we need bread. I am using white bread here. You can use brown bread too. Cut the sides of the bread. Spread butter on the bread slices. Now spread veg mayonnaise stuffing on the bread slices. Place on top the remaining buttered slices and slice the mayo sandwiches in rectangles or triangles or small squares. You can even toast or grill these sandwiches. Our veg mayo sandwiches are ready now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.